Hey guys, David from forkandplate.com, and today we had a question about boiling water. What's faster, a tea kettle or an electric kettle? So we ended up grabbing one of each and figured we'd put the two of them head to head and see which one came out on top. And there you have it. So it seems like they're pretty similar, but surprisingly, the tea kettle was actually a little bit faster and had a higher temperature when it was done than the electric kettle. Who knew? Hey guys, if you like that video, please check out our website, forkandplate.com, or follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest updates.